Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiacs doubt clearance. So today we have a new question in front of you. I hope you could see the question. Okay, uh, I will read the question for you. Find the volume of oxygen required to burn 1 liter of propane completely measured at 0 degree temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so you have four options given: 10 liter, 7 liter, 6 liter, and 5 liter. So we will see how to do this question. Okay, so the fundamental of doing this question here is uh, we know we should know how this propane burns in presence of oxygen. We know that any hydrocarbon, if you are heating in the presence of oxygen, it will get converted to carbon dioxide and water on complete combustion. So the problem here is the hydrocarbon means they can give anything. If it is propane means we know that propane is what actually. So I can say propane is nothing but it comes under alkane family. So prop means 3. So it has the C3H8. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Correct. So in that, if I put n is equal to 3, you will get propane's formula. But the problem here is we are the balancing the chemical equation. So that is a little bit tough when the hydrocarbon when the hydrocarbon is having more number of carbon atoms. Okay, so I will give you a general formula that can be used any time, so that it will become easy for you. Whenever a hydrocarbon comes, you can simply apply that. Okay, so just note down the general formula that will be helpful for you. Okay, so I can say CXHY, that is hydrocarbon made up of carbon and hydrogen, plus 2x plus y by 2 divided by 2. Okay, this we will put it in bracket. Okay, O2, that is burning in presence of oxygen, will give you x times CO2 and y divided by 2, y by 2 times water. Very important. So here, now how we use this equation general, this is a general equation. If you learn this, you can apply for anything actually. So propane means here I can write C3H8, correct? So C3H8. So that means x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 8. So I am applying here. So C3H8, then here what will happen? So 2 into x, that means 2 into 3, correct? 2 into 3 plus y by 2, that is 8 by 2, that is 4. Okay, divided by 2, I can put it in bracket, and O2. Now x CO2 means what actually? 3 times CO2 plus y by 2. Y by 2 is 8 by 2, that is 4H2O. Correct? So this can be further written as C3H8 plus, tell me, 3 into 2, 6, plus 4, 10 by 2, 5O2. 5O2 is giving you 3 CO2 plus 4 H2O. Okay, now if you see, this is a balanced chemical equation. Then only we can apply the concept of stoichiometry. So 5 times O2, so total 10 oxygen atoms. Now if you see here, 3 into 2, 6, plus 4, 10. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Otherwise you need to balance this manually. That is, it will consume a huge amount of time. It is always better that you remember this equation, so that if it is propane or if it is butane or pentane, you can apply it and get the balanced chemical equation. Now which and all, what is the stoichiometric ratio now? So the stoichiometric ratio, so the stoichiometric ratio is, tell me, stoichiometric ratio is equal to 1 is to 5 is to 3:4. Correct. And you know that whenever you are applying stoichiometric method, the equation needs to be balanced. Now think about which and all terms needs to be related. They are talking about given is 1 liter propane. Okay, so the given quantity is what actually 1 liter propane. Correct. So the given quantity is 1 liter propane. Now they want to link between propane and then oxygen. Okay, so these two are the things you need to link. So as per stoichiometry, first I will write in terms of mole. So in terms of mole, tell me 1 mole propane, correct? 1 mole propane needs how much amount of oxygen? 5 mole oxygen, correct? Now we know that it is at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. So they are talking about NTP, correct? So what is the difference between STP and NTP? STP means it is 273.15 Kelvin and 1 bar pressure. And if it is NTP means it is 273.15 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. So both are almost same. There is no difference. I know that 1 mole of propane at NTP will occupy 1 mole of any gas at STP or NTP will occupy how much volume? 22.4 liter. So 22.4 liter propane needs 5 mole. So 5 mole means 5 into 22.4 liter oxygen. Correct? Okay. Now, now we will see uh, what you need to calculate here. They are asking you how much liter of oxygen is required for 1 liter of propane. Correct. So how to convert the 22.4 liter to 1 liter? We know that divide by 22.4 on both sides. So on dividing here, this will become 1 liter propane. Correct. So on RHS, if you are dividing by the same value 22.4, this will become 5 liter oxygen at NTP. Correct. So tell me 1 liter of propane needs how many liter of oxygen? You got the answer 5 liter oxygen. Now, if you see here, you could see here, find the volume of O2 required to burn 1 liter of propane. We have calculated that as 5 liter. 5 liter of oxygen is required. Understood? So the important thing to remember here is the equation, the general equation CXHY plus 2x plus y by 2 divided by 2 O2 giving x CO2 and y by 2 H2O. So if this you know, this question becomes very easy for you. Okay, I hope you understood the explanation, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to return back and ask. Please comment on the box. And if you have understood the explanation, please subscribe our channel to get more neat questions. Thank you.